This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
In the world of heavy industry, change comes slowly. We're talking about massive steel, powerful hydraulics, and processes perfected over decades. This is a $150 billion company, and its success is built on this kind of raw power. But something is happening inside these walls that is about to change everything. A new kind of worker has arrived. This Cargill facility is over 45 years old. Retrofitting it with thousands of modern sensors would be astronomically expensive. So the plant relies on human expertise, operators walking the floor, using sight and sound. It's effective, but you can't put experience on a graph. The goal of a fully autonomous plant seemed impossible until now. The solution wasn't to install more sensors, it was to make the sensors walk. This is Spot from Boston Dynamics, and it's a tireless inspection machine. It sees an infrared to spot failing bearings, and hears in ultrasonic frequencies to detect costly steam leaks, long before a human ever could. But finding one problem is easy. Predicting the next one is where the real value lies. Spot patrols with perfect inhuman consistency, creating a living timeline of every machine's health. Engineers are no longer reacting to explosions, they're preventing them by analyzing trend data. That's the difference between routine maintenance and $1 million shutdown. But here's where this technology crosses from impressive into science fiction. The robot is starting to understand what it sees. Using advanced AI, an engineer can show it an image and just ask a question. Is the emergency light on? The AI analyzes the camera feed and returns a simple, critical answer: no. This is cognitive robotics at work. So Spot has become more than a tool. It's the ultimate safety and reliability officer. It tirelessly patrols for hazards, verifies that fire extinguishers are in place, and ensures safety protocols are met. It handles the dull, repetitive, and dangerous tasks with perfection, freeing up its human colleagues to focus on the complex problems that require their unique skills. And that's the key. This isn't about replacing the workforce. It's about giving them superpowers, shifting the entire operation from reactive to proactive. This innovation is so exciting, it's even helping Cargill attract new talent. As one engineer put it, the chance to work with Spot is what brought him to the company. This is the factory of the future, built inside the factory of the past. It's proof that advanced technology can perfect the world we already have. While its human colleagues sleep, Spot is on the night shift. It's not replacing a job, it's mastering it. To see the future before it happens, subscribe to AIX. You won't want to miss what's next.